Hello dear fans. Where to find massage courses? Massage is an art that has been studied for years. There are many techniques for this procedure, and the choice depends only on your preferences. However, learning to massage is expensive. Therefore, it is worth trying to master the massage technique yourself. Where to find massage courses? Rubbing and reflexive effects on tissues and organs have a beneficial effect on the state of the body and can contribute to overall recovery. Massage is the oldest healing procedure. Over the centuries, the basic techniques have remained virtually unchanged. Today, new ways have emerged to make this procedure more productive and enjoyable. Everyone can learn massage. It is necessary to decide what type of massage you want to master. After that, you can start choosing a place for training. Self-education. You can comprehend the basic principles of massage on your own. This requires a high level of self-organization. If you do not have a medical education, then you will have to start studying anatomy. There are a significant number of books by famous massage specialists on the internet that are freely available. You can also ask doctors you know for advice. Once you have mastered the course of human body anatomy, you can learn the basic massage techniques. However, first you need to understand the types of this procedure. There are a great many of them, so it is better to choose one that will be pleasant to you. You should start with simple massage techniques, gradually improving your skills. All massage methods are based on rubbing, patting, pinching hand movements. It is worth trying these movements on a mannequin, which can be purchased at a specialized medical equipment store. After practicing the skills, you can try to massage your family and friends. They will be able to describe their feelings during the procedure. This way you can correct mistakes and gain additional experience. Professional education. If you aspire to make massage a part of your profession, then it is worth contacting the appropriate institutions. For example, at the Institute of Sports and Rehabilitation Medicine, St. Petersburg, there are worthy massage courses for future specialists in this field. Also in St. Petersburg, there are training centers and medical schools, where you will be offered to train as a massage therapist. The Institute of Professional Massage and the Institute of Restorative Medicine are successfully operating in Moscow, which use many years of experience and modern developments. The medical centers Nika, Education and Career, Planet of Beauty, Center for Training and Development of Masseurs and others deserve attention. In such institutions, you will be taught to approach the massage process from a professional point of view. The ability to universally use the acquired skills is the main task. It is necessary not to forget that the massage therapist must be an excellent psychologist, since during the procedure, there is an energy exchange between people. Thanks for watching.